Look at my look. Ready? Tanawa. Ndot. Uy! Huy, nakabigyan ako guys! Welcome back mga kadangers. Welcome dito sa ating Inday Kuradang channel! Welcome dito sa ating Inday Kuradang channel. So, by the way, I'm Anne, my friend is ang Inday Kuradang ng Dipolog City. For today's video, mga kadangs, we are going to try another palette from Sace Lady. Of course, kung nakita nyo yung aking haul or unpacking package from Sace Lady, nandot lahat yung mga product na sunod-sunod kong i-review dito sa ating mga channel, mga kadangs. Alright, this channel is full of review kahit hindi naman tayo beauty guru, diba mga kadangs? So, I've finished already my face. So, tong palette na to is a multifunctional palette which is 3-in-1 siya. Meron na siyang eyeshadow, highlighter, and then blush on sa iisang palette. So, ito yung itatry natin ngayon. But before natin itry yung ating new product is please don't hesitate and don't forget to like and subscribe dito sa Inday Kuradang channel, mga kadangs. Alright, so ano yung palette nating i-review ngayon or itatry, mga kadangs, is chantereren! Wow! So, mura og professional makeup artist, makeup pa kayo may ifang review. Hindi naman ako makeup artist. Disclaimer pala. Alright, disclaimer. Inday Kuradang is not a makeup artist. Hindi rin ako nagti-training ng mga makeup class. So, lahat ng aking mga tinatry na mga product or nire-review or sinishare sa ating channel, mga kadangs, is just my learning from YouTube and then mga experiences ko about the products, mga kadangs. So, disclaimer, I am not a makeup specialist, ganon, kung ano-ano ba yun. So, I just love makeup and trying out new product, mga kadangs. That is why andito yung mga makeup at mga skincare sa aking channel kahit hindi naman ako pro. Alright, don't judge me. Alright, go back to the topic. So, this is the Sace Lady 3-in-1 makeup palette, mga kadang. So, yung description niya dito is, this is a functional combination palette for the makeup of the entire face daw, covering the effects of eyeshadow, highlights, and blush. Sace Lady makeup palette gives smooth and high pigmented color. High pigmented color, kiniklaim niya. It goes beyond everyday cosmetics to give you a powerful, long-lasting makeup experience. Pasensya na sa mga noise sa background. That is bukid, mga kadangs. Alright, so you can see in the packaging yung usage at saka ingredients niya, makikita. And of course, naka-sealed siya, mga kadangs. Hindi ko talaga to inopen just for the sake of today's video, mga kadangs. Aray, bakit ayaw niyang magpa-open? Grabe, makapak sa si Lady. As in, matindog na sab ko para magkuha og gunting ani. Alright, nadala ra siya kit-kit. Alright, so this is the palette, the content of the palette pala. And meron siya ditong film. Ayan. So, kung nag-e-expect kayo na may mirror siya dito, Of course, as you can see, wala siyang mirror mga kadangs. Alright, so first, we're going to swatch this muna. This is 9 colors right here. So, meron dito, ito eyeshadow. Ayan. This is the blush. And, of course, highlighter. Swatch natin muna mga kadangs para makita natin kung talagang highly pigmented color siya mga kadangs as kiniklaim niya dito. Alright? Alright, as you can see sa swatch natin mga kadangs, yung ano ko guys, nagandahan sa mga shade is itong talagang mga glitter right here. Magaganda yung swatches nila as in. So, tapos ko nang prep yung aking face. Meron akong foundation, a little bit of contour, yung kilay. So, we are going to proceed our eyeshadow now mga kadangs. And then blush, and then yung highlight as ito yung content ng palette na to. Okay? Let's get started. kadangs, this is our final look with this palette. So, ginawa ko lang yung the rest of my makeup of cam. But, this is it. Pansit. It's aura time. Alright mga kadangs, this is it fun set. Yung look na ginawa natin from this palette. Give me a thumbs up if you like the look on the palette mga kadangs. So yung gusto ko lang na shade dito that is very nice to use mga kadangs is of course this 3 glitter or shimmer shade right here. And of course ito maganda din to, and ito maganda to pang transition sa eyeshadow mga kadangs. And yeah, this is it. Yung ginamit na highlighter is this one mga kadangs. Yan yung highlighter, and glowing inside. And of course the nose, ayan. So what do you think mga kadangs? Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Diris ato ang Inday Kuradang new upload video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you sa ating next video. Bye.